Hello guys, nandito ako ngayon sa may Bulabog Beach kasi nandito yung hotel ko. Happiness, ito. Happiness Hostel. Nabook ko lang siya 500 pesos. Matutulog lang naman tayo dito. Kaya matuto tayo mag-check. Check-in na ako. Happiness.
Yes, po. Is it sending, sir?
Yeah.
This is our hostel rules and etiquette and also the Boracay Island government rules. So kung gusto niyo pong picture para po later, basahin niyo na lang po. And our reception is open 7 a.m. to 12 a.m. midnight. And this is our WhatsApp group, sir. So if you want to join, because this is for our activities like we have boat party, yoga, a movie night. Actually, tonight we have a movie night with a free popcorn and pizza party.
May charge, additional charge.
Sorry?
May additional charge? Wala naman.
For a movie night po, it's a free po siya. So, with free popcorn. But the pizza party, it depends po sa restaurant if how much the cost po if ng pizza. And also, this is the Wi-Fi password, sir. Your 25% discount for breakfast, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. And happy hour, 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Buy one, take one capsule. And can I collect safety deposit proof, sir, 1,000 pesos. And this is for the key and for the towel. And we will refund your 1,000 pesos upon you check out. Sinento po kasi na... And this is your blue card, sir, and that is the proof that you gave us a 1,000 pesos. So, you need to keep it.
Ano pre? Ito lang. Ilan to? 3:30 na siya.
15 minutes ago, yeah, but I...
Pero isa lang yung naglagay.
Okay. Here, sir, this way. This is our rest bar, and the yoga place po is nasa last one. Tonight, we have a movie night po. Doon po yung place ng movie night po namin. So, and...
Yung pool hanggang anong oras?
It's 12 a.m. po. And also, sir, if you want to avail the transportation, this is our travel and tour. So, if you want to, like, door-to-door transfer po. So, you can go here po. And this is the cafe. And this is our kitchen, sir. So, dito po kami naglalaro. And also, actually, this is our main bar, sir. And kung dito po kayo mag-aabit ng happy hour po. Like 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. po. Taga saan po kayo, sir?
Taga Bacolod, pero sa Manila ako nag-i-stay.
Welcome to your room, sir. And this is your bed. And this is your for locker po.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Enjoy it po.
Higaan ko guys, tour muna tayo. Para ba the comfort room? Ito. Comfort room kagad eh. See ulit. So common yung comfort room. Tsaka ito. Tapos meron siyang salamin. May toilet naman. Bidet and shower. Number 1. Buti sa baba yung ko. Kwarto. Tapos meron siyang electric fan. Towel. Kumot. Dalawang unan. At ito lang. Kagaya ng bag. Yan. Ayan. At ito yung key ko. So yun guys, nakapag-check-in na ako, then gagala na lang tayo mamaya. Magpapahinga lang ako sa konti. See you! For today's video, maliligo tayo sa pool. Ito yung pool ng Happiness Hostel. Yeah. Let's go!